In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Sheets with Slack. This integration is invaluable for anyone looking to streamline their workflow and keep all their important data and communications in one place. So, let's dive right in and explore the steps you need to follow to set up this integration. To get started, navigate to your Slack interface. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll notice a section labeled Apps. This is where you'll find all the tools you can integrate directly into Slack to supercharge your productivity. Now, within this section, there's something called the App Directory. You want to click on the Apps section to head over to the App Directory. Once you're there, use the search bar to look for Google Sheets for Workflow Builder. The Workflow Builder allows you to automate the organization's daily tasks directly in Slack. And by integrating Google Sheets into this, you're opening up new opportunities for data exchange between your Sheets and Slack channels. Now, when you find the Google Sheets app, go ahead and install it. The installation process is usually quite straightforward. Slack will guide you through each step as you move through the directory. When it's installed, Slack might ask you to authorize certain permissions and access to your Google account. This is an important step because the authorization allows Slack to interact with your Google Drive and access the spreadsheets you want to use. During this authorization process, it's crucial to carefully review the permissions being requested. Slack will need to be granted permission to view and manage files that you've opened or created in Google Drive. Rest assured, this step is safe, as long as you're operating within trusted Slack and Google environments. Once you're comfortable with the permissions required, you'll proceed with connecting your Google account to Slack. On completing this connection, you'll have successfully integrated Google Sheets within your Slack workflow. To see it in action, you can start creating new workflows in Slack's Workflow Builder that involve updating or pulling in data from your Google Sheets. This seamless integration means that you and your team can receive updates from Sheets directly into Slack channels, helping to keep everyone informed in real time about project progress, incoming data, and more. If at any point you need to modify any settings or manage which sheets you are integrating, you can easily do so by revisiting the App Directory. There, you can configure the Google Sheets settings to better suit your needs or revoke permissions if required. It's always handy to periodically review what apps have been authorized to ensure everything remains secure and functional. And there you have it. With these simple steps, your Google Sheets and Slack are now more connected than ever, paving the way for faster, more efficient collaboration. Whether you're a project manager keeping tabs on team progress or an analyst tracking metrics, this integration can prove to be a game changer in managing and sharing information easily. That's all for today's tutorial. Happy integrating!